Be ready. 5 seconds.
Learned senior advocate appearing on behalf of the government submitted that the governor can act in his discretion only when it is expressly provided by a law. Stop. After taking us through the mandate of Article 239 AA, he submitted that these provisions mirror Article 163 of the Constitution, requiring the governor to act only on the aid and advice of the popularly elected government. Stop. For this purpose, the principles laid down in Shamsher Singh versus State of Punjab was relied on to put forth the point that the satisfaction of the governor in the cabinet system of government is the satisfaction of his council of ministers. Stop. It is also argued that the provision cannot be construed as expressly vesting any discretion in the governor to nominate persons to the corporation. Stop. He further submitted that the issue is decided by the Constitution bench decisions of this court in State versus Union of India. Stop para. Learned additional Solicitor General, representing the governor, has not joined issue on the interpretation of Article 239 AA, or on the ratio in Shamsher Singh (Supra) and the two Constitution bench judgments of this court. Stop. It is his submission that the relevant provision of the DMC Act must be read in consonance with Part 9A of the Constitution relating to grant of constitutional status to municipalities. Stop. He has taken us through certain provisions of the Act to demonstrate the distribution of powers and duties among various authorities. Stop. Interpreted in this context, he submitted, it will be evident that the governor is specifically empowered to nominate persons of his own accord, and that obligation does not fall within the duty to act on the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. Stop para. The distribution of legislative powers between the Parliament and the Legislative Assembly of NCT, as well as the distribution of the executive powers between the Union government and the government of NCT was discussed, and basic principles were laid down in the two Constitution bench judgments. Stop. Having examined Section 3 of the Act empowering the governor to nominate persons having special knowledge to the DMC, we will underscore the point that it is law made by Parliament. Stop. As the law requires the governor to exercise the power of nomination, it satisfies the exception contemplated to act in his discretion as he is by or under any law so required to act. Stop. We also reject the submission that the word single quote administrator quote close is a relic of the past. Stop.